Chapter 8 Biomechanics and Sports. Introduction of Biomechanics and Sports. Biomechanics play an important role in games and sports. This subject is the study of biological movement of human beings and its relation with the principles of physics. In other words, it is the scientific study of body movements by applying the basic principles and law of physics. Then the next one we will discuss about meaning and importance of biomechanics in physical education and sports. Biomechanics is the study of the structure and functions of biological system by means of the forces. The word biomechanics is derived from the two words bio means living things and mechanics means the science of movement and force. Therefore, it can be said that it is the application of the principles of mechanics to the living human body. After that, the definition of biomechanics. According to Hall, it is the application of mechanical principles in the study of living organisms. Second, according to Berlet, it is the study of analysis of human movement patterns in sports. Next, the importance of biomechanics in physical education. First point, if you will see, to reduce the risk of injury, to understand the human body movement, to improve techniques and equipments, to improve teaching and learning process. It will help the teacher and coaches in understanding the movements of their students and athletes. After that, the next we will discuss about types of movement. There are types of movement. So first one is motion. The process of movement includes movement of organs, joints, limbs and specific sections of the body. Motion is classified according to the anatomical plan. It occurs in fliction and extension are example of angular motions in which two axes of a joint are brought closer together or moved further apart. Then next we will discuss about fliction and extension. Fliction describes a bending movement that decreases the angle between a segment and its proximal segment. For example, bending the elbow or clutching a hand into a fist are the example of fliction. Extension is the opposite of fliction, describing a straightening movement that increases the angle between body parts. When a joint can move forward and backward, such as the neck and trunk. Extension refers to movement in the postures. For example, when standing up, the knees are extended. Then next we are discussing about abduction and addiction. Abduction and addiction refers to motions that move a structure away from or towards the center of the body. The center of the body is defined as the mid-sagittal plane. These terms come from the Latin word with the same meaning. Abduction refers to a motion that pulls a structure or part away from the middle of the body. In the case of fingers and toes, it refers to spreading the digit apart away from the center line of the hand or foot. For example, raising the arms up, such as when tightrope walking, is an example of abduction at the shoulder. Abduction refers to a motion that pulls a structure or part towards the middle line of the body or towards the middle line of a limb. In the case of fingers and toes, it refers to bringing the digits together towards the center line of the hands or foot. So these all are the points of biomechanics and sports.